like to show you how to use my new template. This is a budgeting template for small businesses, and it's designed to allow you to project your cash flows for the coming months and avoid a situation where you could run out of cash. It's called the Accountinator Budget Beta, and you can just Google it on Google Docs and download it. Let me show you how to use it. Suppose that today is, and in fact today is November 12th, and my cash balance is $1,000. I'll write here in under balance $1,000, the actual amount of the balance. And suppose that I also have a check outstanding. I wrote this check and it hasn't yet cleared. This check was check number 345. And let's suppose that this check is for $500. Let's also suppose, and I'm going to start leaving some space here because I may need to change things around. Let's also suppose that on November 15th, I have a bill due for consulting for $1,300. I write in here negative $1,300. And let's suppose on November 17th, I'm supposed to receive a consulting check for $2,000. I write it as a positive $2,000. And that's all I'm expecting for the coming month. Now you can see that we're going to be successful because by the end of the month we're going to have a positive balance. However, once I pay this consulting bill on November 15th, I'm going to be clear out of cash and the check may even bounce. Negative $800 would be my balance. So what I need to do is I need to do something to get this balance back up. So what I'm going to plan to do is on November 15th, or say give them days in advance, 14th, 2011, I'm going to make a deposit. I'm going to personally make a deposit in order to bring the money back up. And now what I want to do is I want to make sure that the balance meets any kind of bank minimum. Suppose my bank has a $100 minimum. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to deposit $900, and it's a good idea to put a little something extra in there, just in case. So I'm going to deposit $1,000. And then, watch what I'm going to do. On November 18th, I'm going to take the money back out again. Because I don't want to keep any more money in the business than I have to. And what I might even do, just for my own reference here, is I might make this a color, just to remind myself exactly what I'm doing. Now what I've done here is I've basically put together a plan for my cash flows for the month, and this will ensure that there's no way that I could run out of cash during the month.